Hi guys. So you may or may not know, but Nafari was working on a STEM project he called Volcano Kai. It was named after Kai and Ninjago. And then he got sick for about a week. So Nafari is on the other side of that glass, but I am going to finish his project to let you know how it turned out. So before we got sick, we were trying out whether we should use the Mentos Coke experiment or the vinegar baking soda experiment. And we tried Mentos. We left it outside for a while and it froze. So we decided to use the vinegar dye and baking soda reaction because it was less reactive than the Mentos Coke. Also, Volcano Kai has a built-in water bottle, so we would have to pour the Coke into Volcano Kai and it would lose carbonation. So vinegar, dye, and baking soda reaction. Let's try the Coca-Cola and Mentos reaction, which is more reactive, but it has to be quick. Which means we chose not to use this reaction because there's a lot of variables to consider. Not like I thought it was gonna be, actually. But it's room temperature Coke and Mentos.